Hi. Ah, you've removed your wig.
I've removed it though. Say hi to the latest YouTuber.
You guys, people should go and
subscribe to my channel. Tell the good ways we have my link.
Don't worry, it's in the description box. Don't worry.
No, I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. So you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be a friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. I was down and broken when I met you that night. Should've known you were something that would mess with my mind. Oh, but I won't put the blame on me. You're the one to be honestly, yeah. Cause you can handle emotion.
Oh, you need to wake up. We need to shoot. Excuse me, sir. Hello, sir. Hello. We need to shoot. We need to shoot, brother. Yes. Papa.
I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close.
Hey, daddy, hey.
One, two, three.
I got it.
Yay!
Oh, my heart. Because he's laughing, no. Laugh is wasting. He's so cute. I swear.
You sit, but
You can't sit down.
you can sit
I
on
can.
his lap.
Hey. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. I was down and broken when I met you that night. Should've known you were something that would mess with my mind. Oh, but I won't put the blame on me. You're the one to be honestly, yeah. Cause you can handle emotions. So you wanna talk again, but it's time to do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the
Yeah.
Baby now, wow. Which
This is
level?
my baby now, wow.
Papa?
You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. You didn't even say goodbye. No, is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms.
Very, just like natural hair.
This is an optimum. It has 8 sides.
Say hi.
Let's learn it.
Guys, look at my afro. Look at my afro.
Mommy, see.
Oh, Vino and Fino.
Ooh. Guys, I've had these bundles for like over a year, and I recently turned it into a wig. And see how cute it looks. Look at it. Hello. Hello. I love my your hair. Your hair is world class. World class. Oh, I love it. Front is so long. Hey you. Olama, careful. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he goes. Hey. Hello. Hello, Amachuku.
Hey.
Yeah, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, Amachuku.
Yes, I
Hey. 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 Aww. 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 It's so cute. I love it. So that way he'll just have like a mohawk. Mohawk that he has. Come on. I love it. Oh my god. I love my look. So cute. So that way, we know that it's all the hair is here.
Yeah.
You can braid it, you can do whatever, and then
clean up around there.
Around there. That'll be perfect. Oloma Chuku. Oloma Jehovah. Oloma Jehovah. See his own, and then see Mia's own. His own, and then Mia's. His own, and then Mia's. Hey guys, I had to rush out because I'm actually heading somewhere. Today is Friday. Actually, today is Good Friday, and I'm heading out to an IFTAR dinner. Zizi of Zizi's Diary, which is also a YouTuber, and you guys have seen her on my channel a couple of times, but she invited me for her IFTAR dinner today, and that's where I'm heading right now. Dress code is abaya or jalabia, so I'm wearing this lovely, I call it boo-boo abaya thing from Mura.ng, my girl. And yeah, your girl is all ready. It's a long time ago an invite to attend a Muslim themed, you know, event, dinner, that kind of thing. But yeah, she's just having this small iftar dinner, and we were invited. Well, I was invited amongst a couple of my other friends. So that's where I'm heading right now, and you guys will come along with me as always, because why are you here? That's why you're here. So let's go. Hi, how are you? Single. Hello. Mubarak. Hi. Yes, so you guys know her now. People know her already now. Hey, you. Since airport, I've not seen you. Like, I know, right?
And I want to tell you a little bit about Islamic fasting. So whenever we are fasting, it is called Ramadan. So right now we're in the month of Ramadan, and anytime we are fasting, first if you want to break our fast, we eat dates. and this is the date. This is what it looks like. Yeah, so after the first prayer, it is called Maghrib. After the prayer, then you now take your pap and akara, or sometimes pap and moi moi or anything you want, or cereal. So after taking your pap and your akara, then you can now go for prayer again, the second prayer, which is Ishai and Tarawih. So after the prayer, you come back and you can now eat anything you like. You can have your rice, you can have your chicken, and any other thing you want to eat. And after that, then you sleep. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, oh, must get in and lift my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again.